Today I am reviewing the DREAME L10s Pro Ultra Heat Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've ever wished for a robot vacuum that not only cleans your floors but also handles mopping at a professional level, the DREAME L10s Pro Ultra Heat Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is designed to make that dream a reality. This next-generation smart home device combines robotic vacuuming, ultra-strong suction, precise mopping, and self-maintenance, creating a cleaning solution that can transform your home care routine. Let's start with one of its most impressive features: 7,000 pascals mega suction power. This isn't your average robotic vacuum. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, crumbs, or stubborn debris stuck in carpet fibers or along edges, the L10s Pro has the power to handle it all. The suction automatically adjusts to different surfaces, making transitions from hard floors to carpets seamless. This ensures that every inch of your home is spotlessly clean without needing manual intervention. Next, let's talk about MopExtend technology. The L10s Pro doesn't just skim your floors. It actively extends and retracts its mop to reach corners and edges where dust and crumbs tend to hide. This is combined with advanced dirt detection, allowing the vacuum to rewash and remop floors as needed. The result is a home that is truly clean, not just superficially tidy. Even those tricky spots near baseboards or furniture legs are no match for this smart robot. One of the most innovative aspects of the L10s Pro is its auto robot care system with 136 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop self-cleaning. Gone are the days of scrubbing your robot's mop after every cleaning session. The vacuum uses hot water to thoroughly clean the mop pads, then dries them with hot air, leaving the system ready for the next session. This reduces maintenance for you and keeps the robot hygienic, perfect for homes with pets, kids, or high foot traffic. Navigation and obstacle avoidance are another area where the L10s Pro excels. Using 3D structured light and smart recognition, it can identify and avoid over 55 types of objects, from shoes to cables, ensuring your cleaning runs smoothly without interruptions. With precise mapping, the robot can plan efficient cleaning paths and even remember room layouts for future sessions. You'll also appreciate that it supports 2.4G Wi-Fi, so you can manage it via a smartphone app for scheduling, manual control, or checking cleaning history. Beyond performance, the L10s Pro is built for convenience and efficiency. Its dual vacuum and mop system, combined with hot water self-cleaning, drastically reduces your hands-on effort. Instead of spending hours sweeping, mopping, or scrubbing, this intelligent machine can handle multiple cleaning tasks simultaneously while you focus on other important activities. In summary, the DREAME L10s Pro Ultra Heat Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a premium solution for modern homes. It delivers powerful suction, intelligent mopping, self-maintenance, and smart obstacle avoidance, all in one compact, highly efficient package. If you want a home that's consistently clean with minimal effort, this robot vacuum is designed to exceed expectations. For anyone dealing with pets, carpets, high-traffic areas, or just looking for a next-level smart cleaning device, the L10s Pro makes life easier and your floors sparkling clean every day.